If you are an aspiring entrepreneur and you've been wanting to learn how you can actually create income from your ideas, how you can take your ideas and be able to just create a life of impact, this video is for you, all right? But for those of you who are not familiar with me and are new to my channel, my name is Janelle Renee. I am your faithologist. I am a certified life and business coach, and I help working moms just like you to discover your purpose and then be able to profit passively from your purpose with digital products so that you can create that life of freedom, that life of flexibility, and that life of fulfillment that you desire. All right. And so I wanted to just really jump right in and let you know that literally the first commandment that God has given to you is to be fruitful, right? He says, be fruitful and to multiply. In Genesis chapter 1, verse 28, this is the word of God, right? He literally says that he blessed Adam. He blessed them and then told them to be fruitful and to multiply. And this is just to attest to the significance of how God has truly created us. He created us in his own image, right? He created us in his image and in his likeness. And the very first thing that God told us about himself is that he is a creator. And so if God is a creator and he's created us in his image, we are also creators. We are co-creators. We are called to be co-creators with God, right? And literally we have the power to design and redesign our lives. And I'm so passionate about this because literally it's the very first chapter in the very first book of the Bible. God is giving us the very first commandment, and he's telling us like he's already blessed you. He's already blessed you. And so now it's just a matter of you taking the seeds, right? What is a fruit? He told us, be fruitful, right? He has already blessed you, told you to be fruitful. So before he even asked you to do anything, before he even required you to do anything, to be anything, he's already blessed you. And so he's blessed you with so many gifts, so many talents, so many seeds within, right? And why I say seeds within is because if you think of a fruit in itself is an organism, right? An organism with seeds inside of itself. And that's the same way God made you. He made each and every one of us with seeds, with gifts, with talents, with skills that he's placed within us that we have to nurture, right? It is our responsibility, right? To discover what those seeds are. To be able to develop them, to nourish them, water them, and then go out and deliver them, right? Deliver them to the people we're called to serve. And so it's so important that you really tap into who God has called you to be, what are the seeds that he's placed within you, and how can you go out and multiply those seeds in other people's lives. And so I really want to share this story with you, how yesterday, one of my clients, so many of my clients within the Faithology University under Assignment Accelerator Academy is doing such big things, okay? 11/11 was such a beautiful day in our community because so many of my clients launched new YouTube channels, new Instagram pages, new books. And even yesterday, my own son literally created his first book, okay? And we literally created it in 2 hours and uploaded it on Amazon. And so he'll be having his first physical book in hand in a few days. And I'm just so proud of what my son has done. He literally took an idea and has now been able to create a physical product from that. And so not only have I been able to show my daughter how to do this and my clients how to do this, and now my son actually jumped on and he's actually doing it. But I really wanted to share something that my client shared with me yesterday when I was speaking to her after her launch, right? After her book launch, she was saying, she was so excited for her book launch because when we first started working together, we created her digital product. And then she went on and evolved and took that digital product, that ebook that she created, and expounded upon it and created a physical book. Now her book is available on Amazon. And one thing she said to me yesterday, she's like, Janelle, my daughter has seen like what I've created and the business that I've created for myself. And now my daughter is interested in starting her own business. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, like it's just beautiful to see like how when you multiply the seeds that God has given to you, right? When you sow and nurture your seeds, how as an effect to that, it's going to multiply. It's going to multiply generationally. So not only has my client's daughter decided that she wants to start her business as a teenager, my teenage son has also started his business as creating his book, right? He created his book yesterday. And we'll be launching his business soon doing that. And so that is just one aspect that I really wanted to share because I'm just super pumped and super excited about that. Like, it shows you all the lives that are impacted when you decide to water your seeds and when you decide to really take your ideas and how you can now begin to create income from your ideas, right? And so for an example, for me, this was once an idea of mine, right? I took something that was challenging for me. I took a painful time in my life, a time when I wasn't able to really unlock or discover my purpose. I didn't know what my purpose was. And I did a deep dive, deep inner work. I hired coaches. I got in my word, seeked after my Heavenly Father to really dive in to what my purpose was. And because I did the work and because that time of my life was so painful, I wanted to reach back and to help others with discovering their purpose as well, right? I want to reach back and help women to discover their purpose because I know how hard it is to live a life where you're just feeling like you're existing and you're not truly living life, you know? And so I took that painful time and birthed purpose. I took ideas, right? Concepts that I had, that I learned over the years, that I got revelation from through God and was able to create a beautiful, beautiful clear purpose roadmap. It's a step-by-step guide to help you to discover your purpose and to deploy you on the path towards your dream life. And I'm just super proud of this because it's like, it has helped me tremendously and it has helped women all around the world. And it's just powerful to get the testimonials that I've received from women who actually went through the Clear Purpose Roadmap and whose lives have been changed. And so this is an undated planner that I have used and many of my clients have used to really discover their purpose. And so this is a powerful, powerful tool. And this is what I mean when I say take your ideas and create income from it and impact. Because not only have I received income from my ideas, but it's also impact women across the world. And so this is what I mean by that, you know, and it's just so powerful to take a trial that you've gone through and create a treasure. And I speak about this treasure trial framework inside of my coaching community as well. And it's super powerful because it shows you that you can take painful times in your life and create purpose, birth purpose through it. Things that you've persevered through, you can now reach back and help others do the same. Such a powerful feeling to know that you can now take something that caused you turmoil, something that caused you pain, and turn that into a profit. You can take a setback and then set up a profitable business for yourself and teach your children how to do the same. It's like once you learn the skill one time, it's like it's never ending, and it's going to impact lives and bring you income along the way. You literally can take what's invisible and make it visible. Like, this was once invisible. This was once just a thought in my mind, and now it's physically here, right? I took it from the spiritual and brought it into the physical realm. The same with my daughter. My daughter created her book. I created a journal as well. Like, I've created so many products. Like, this is my biblical coloring book that I've created. It's beautiful. This was once an idea of mine, and now it's physically here. The same with my content creation compass. This is one of my latest books that I've worked on as well, where this is helping you to create your content, long form content, short term content, and literally it's a life and business planner, right? Helping you to balance your life and your business by creating a simplified and systemized social media marketing strategy so that you're literally marketing your business, living your life, you know, simultaneously. And it's just such a powerful tool. I'm actually using it right now as I'm recording this video. It breaks down how you can record your YouTube videos and your short-term videos, and just a powerful tool. And so these things are like things that were just once ideas of mine, and now they're physical. It's like physically here, you know. I've had so much products, even like the designs that within my my faith-based clothing brand, the designs that we come up with, and then we literally, they're ideas, and then we physically put them on t-shirts and hoodies and sweatshirts. and now actually diversifying our business and putting them on mugs, and like literally utilizing Printify so that we are able to diversify and create more passive income within our business. It's just powerful. There's so much that you can do to literally take your idea and make profit from it. Take your idea and make income from it, and the sky is the limit. So if you know that you want to start profiting from your business, but you have no idea like what type of products you can start to create, just comment 100 and I'm going to send you over my free guide with 100 digital product ideas that will align with your God-given purpose so that you can start your purpose-driven business. If you want to learn why you should be profiting from your purpose, this is the video for you here. Watch this next video and I'm going to be breaking down in detail why you should be profiting from your purpose starting today. All right. I'm going to tell you just as God told me, put one foot in front of the other, step out on faith and trust God for the next step. I'll see you in the next one.